Hello! Welcome! Dito kami ngayon sa Coron Vista and we're getting ready for our trip. Hello, you're there. How are you?
Hi.
How's your sleep?
Okay naman, I'm cleaning my face.
Okay. Bae, how was the weather?
Okay lang, medyo
Makulimlim.
yes.
Sana maging okay na lahat, no?
Yeah.
Para ano na tayo.
Pag-island hopping.
Yes. I love your sando, bae. What's the brand of that sando?
Adrenaline.
Adrenaline, bongga. Adrenaline din. Oh, see, ang sexy mo naman talaga dyan, bes. So, anything na gusto niyong sabihin sa mga televiewers?
I hope they could visit the Coron.
And
we are staying at Coron
Vista, pasalamat naman kayo. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
May pa-free breakfast sila.
Yeah, may pa-free sa breakfast.
Kaya mansaya, no? Gusto ko dito na side naman kay kukunin.
Eto, welcome to Coron.
Diba? Hello, I'm filming you right now. Kumusta naman?
Well, I will answer in Tagalog beside.
Pwede po.
Myra.
How's Coron so far?
It's nice, it's beautiful, yet the weather is not quite good to us this time.
I hope, no, magiging okay na lahat, na.
Hopefully, para we can have our island hopping.
Tapos,
So that Coron is for moving.
give me 3 things that you have to prepare while you're on a trip.
On a trip, my two-piece, of course,
Of
bikini.
course, ano pa?
Yes, and my cell phone and my body to show everyone.
Natanggal mong hair. Nga naman, be. Patawasin mong braid. Okay.
Dito sa bakery, brave.
How was the breakfast?
It's good.
What no? Hi, oy. Busy mo sa John Dolph, oy. Hello.
Tawagin ako ito sa umasing gitana kay gabi.
Ano rin concert?
Medong 5 Ay, kuya. Sa kabila tayo, be. Okay. Hello. Hey, guys.
Kaya hindi ko magbaba. Hindi ko magbabala kung
Change costume na naman sa bangka.
Sabi, nayakap. Agod. Social media, princess.
Hi! Akong buyag.
Yummy bears. Kakain na kami. Baya. Sarap ng food. Thank you so much of food.
Cellphone. Okay.
May benta dito parang kantin. Anong meron dyan, kuya? Anong babenta mo, kuya? Ice candy, tsaka...
Dito sa beach.
Bongga yung floating canteen dito.